And the dust has settled in the UAAP chess tournament with one team achieving an incredible three-peat and securing their 10th overall championship. Joining us today is a member of that powerhouse squad that secured UST's third consecutive crown, UST Wood Pusher Season MVP, and as Pao mentioned, the last king standing.
I like that.
Melito Oscan Jr. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much.
Oh, maraming salamat. So, syempre, maybe you're still overwhelmed. Ang ganda ng pinanalo nyo in that UST Championship. But can you talk about how you feel right now after winning that tournament?
Sobrang heartwarming lang yung nangyayari ngayon. Kasi talagang unexpected yung pangyayari. So, ang sarap lang sa feeling na nangyayari yung mga ganitong bagay ngayon.
Ano yung unexpected? The fact that you defended the championship or the fact na nag-MVP ka?
Yun yung pagiging MVP ko. Yung isa yun. Tapos, actually talagang hindi ko talaga na-expect na like magpa-perform ako dito sa season na to na talagang parang mabibigay ko lahat. Kasi feeling ko kulang pa talaga yung training. Pero which is naging unexpected talaga kasi nga ako pa yung naging MVP tapos nakakuha namin ulit yung crown.
I mean, yun nga, you mentioned nag-MVP ka, hindi mo na-expect. Ako, curious lang, this question, I want to know, parang dali mo kami sa mundo ng chess team ninyo.
Yes.
Ano yung pinagdaanan nyo throughout the season? Kung paano kayo nag-training na papunta dito sa manalo kayo ng championship?
Kasi kapag student athlete ka ng UST, talagang kailangan mo i-maintain both pag-aaral tsaka paglalaro. So yun yung naging factor na nagpapahirap sa amin kasi tulad ko, nag-thesis ako tapos nag-OJT pa. Talagang may mapapabayaan kang isa. So ayun, nung papasok na yung season namin na to, talagang nag-double time ako, talagang ginawa ko lahat para maibalik ko yung training namin.
Yeah, alam mo, importante yan, especially being a student athlete. Again, Jet graduated an engineer, pang UP basketball. Again, you juggling OJT at of course yung thesis mo. At ako naman, wala akong sport. Ito, nag-graduate lang. Pero when you take a look at the achievement here of UST, magandang simula, 4-0 before a draw against Adamson, who were the bottom place team. Ano nangyari internally sa team ninyo after that result?
Bali, talagang inisip lang namin, normal lang naman nangyayari mga ganun eh. Talagang parang kumbaga sa basketball, parang bilog talaga ang bola. Kumbaga wala namang sure. Talagang ang pinaka-sure lang namin na talagang dapat gawin is, gawin mo lang yung best mo, tas relax lang.
Relax lang. I mean, kausapin mo naman kami about yung teammates mo.
Yeah.
Diba? Wala sila dito pero nandito ka. Ano yung pinagsamahan nyo throughout the season and ano yung nakita nyo sa pagbabago sa kanila na nakita mo sila nag-succeed rin katulad?
Sa mga teammates ko, talagang iba yung bonding kasi namin talaga eh. Hindi lang as a team but as a family. Talagang yung bond namin talagang araw-araw, talagang doon lahat, biroan, training, as in lahat nandun. Like, yung coach ko, pati yung coach ko, talagang parang tatay namin, kaibigan namin. Yun yung key talaga namin, kaya kami nagiging champion kami.
Can you compare yung championship na to to the other championships in the 3P?
Talagang, hindi. Parang iba to eh. Iba to. Kahit kasi ang dami naming naging struggle talaga nitong season na to, pero talagang nagpursige lang kami. Ganun.
So, yung championship na ba, gusto ko nang dagdagan eh. Kasi interested ako. Sorry, Pao.
No,
kasi
go.
nung panahon ko sa basketball, hindi kami nananalo eh. So, itong 3-time champion ka, ano yung difference ng personal mo na nag-grow ka sa first year, sa second year champion, and then ngayon, nag-champion tapos nag-MVP ka?
As a person, talagang ang pinakamahalaga talaga is yung balance sa lahat eh. Balance ka sa time management, yan, balance. Balance lang lahat.
Yeah.
Talagang maturity, kumbaga. Dapat nandun yan.
To be fair din kay Jet, nag-mature din siya from 0 wins to 5. Pero when you take a look at what it takes to maintain yung standard na to, especially for future generation, I'm not sure kung last year mo ba to? Or
Yes.
So what would it take for you personally, for UST to sustain yung level of competition na to in terms of chess?
For me kasi, kailangan mo lang, ako kasi, talagang, for me, achievement ko talaga ito eh. Kumbaga, fulfillment ko to lalo kung halimbawa sa akin lang, talagang yung MVP, parang fulfillment mo yun eh. Talagang iba yung dating eh. Parang ganun.
Oo, iba yung dating talaga. But, you know, we wish you all the success. We congratulate you, of course, for all the success that you've had previously. And thank you. Thank you so much, Melito, for joining us.
Jet is always interested to interview winners in the UAP kasi siya,
Gusto ko lang malaman.
konti lang eh. Konti rin naman
Gusto ko lang malaman. And thank you.
How much do we love Pinoy sports? With all our heart, all the time. Download Pilipinas Live now.